Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caribbean-style fish broth. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh fish heads and bones, which are key for a deep, savory base. Also, prepare your aromatics: 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget Caribbean essentials like 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, a few sprigs of fresh thyme, and about 8 cups of water or vegetable stock. This combination creates an authentic, flavorful foundation. Now let's get everything ready for the pot. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your fish heads and bones under cold water to remove any impurities. Next, chop your onion, garlic, carrots, and celery into large, consistent pieces. This helps them release their flavors slowly. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onions and minced garlic until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Then, add the carrots, celery, and fresh thyme, cooking for another 5 minutes. With our aromatics softened, it's time to build the broth's depth. Carefully add the rinsed fish heads and bones to the pot. Pour in about 8 cups of water or vegetable stock, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer. Allow it to cook for at least 30 minutes, but no longer than 45 minutes, to extract maximum flavor without bitterness. Our delicious Caribbean fish broth is almost ready. The next crucial step is straining. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pot or large bowl. Discard all the solids, pressing them gently with a spoon to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. Now, season your clear broth to taste with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve this warm, comforting broth as a delightful starter, or use it as a base for other Caribbean dishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.